Grok AI has already become paid, and many other tools have also become paid. This video you are watching on your screen is generated related to a famous YouTube channel. It looks very amazing, and this is generated with the help of a free tool. Today, I will show you that tool through which we will generate images and videos, and I confirm that Grok AI will also be available for free. And along with that, there will be other tools as well that we will use to generate. So guys, do not skip this video. First of all, you should look at this channel. If you observe its videos, this channel is based on two characters, one boy and one girl. This is fully outlined stick-style animation. If we talk about videos, many of them have millions of views and thousands of views, and this channel is 100% monetized. I will also show you that. If we talk about subscribers, this channel currently has around 746,000 subscribers. And if we talk about earnings, according to Social Blade, its monthly earning is around $80 per month, and up to $7,000 is the estimate. In the last 30 days, it has gained 20 million views. Of all, Skill with AI has already prepared a master prompt for you. The name of the master prompt is Backbench Style. Story 10, Image Prompt 10. Video Prompt with Voiceover. Master Prompt. Part 1 is based on character design. Part 2 includes 10 image prompts structured in story format. Simply, you have to copy it. After copying, you have to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, you just need to paste it and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will first give you Part 1, which will be character prompt. Part 2 will be the story. Part 3 will be image prompts. Part 4 will be video prompts, cinematic plus viral. So guys, from here, our main part starts. From here, we will use the tool. Do not skip the video. Watch till the end. Today, I am going to tell you a trick. If you skip the video, it will become difficult for you to access that tool. So guys, the tool we are going to use today, its name is Slop Club. I will give the link in the description. This is a free AI tool, and I will also tell you a trick later on how to use it for video generation for free. So guys, first of all, when you come, you need to log in. As soon as you log in, you will see pixel balance on the left side. We have 8 credits, and with these 8, we can do a lot. So guys, you can see below there are models like Grok AI, Video Grok, Imagine Video. Here, WAN 2.2 Turbo is free. And in Image Generator, you get Grok Imagine Image, WAN 2.6 Image, Grok Nano Beta Pro, etc. This is completely free, 100% free. Only credits are used. In videos as well, you get many tools, but some tools are locked. However, Grok AI and WAN are free. So guys, without wasting time, first of all, we generate our images. So guys, first, what you need to do is select a model. I select Grok Imagine Image. After selecting this, you will see a reference image option. You have to upload your character reference image. After uploading that, you need to add a prompt. For prompt, go to ChatGPT. Copy the first image prompt. From Part 3, come to Slop Club and paste it here. Simply click Generate. Your first image generation will start. You will see on the left side Profile. Click on Profile, and you will see your image generation has started. Just wait a few seconds, and your image will be ready. If you do not like the image, simply take separate screenshots of the characters. Come back and upload them again one by one as reference images. Then copy the prompt again, paste it, and click Generate. Your generation will start again. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now you can see the first image is ready. It looks exactly like backbench style. The color might be slightly different, but the character is consistent, which is best. Simply download it in the same ratio. Again, you have to follow the same process every time. First, upload reference image, then go to ChatGPT, copy next prompt, come to Slop Club, paste it, and click Generate. Your next generation will start. After some time, your image will be ready. You can see the third image is also ready. It looks very professional and consistent. Now do the same for all prompts. Generate multiple images like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and so on. Now after images are ready comes the main part, video generation. So guys, do not skip from here. Now our images are ready. We will generate videos. First of all, you need to come back here. you will find Grok AI. You simply have to click on it. Then what you need to do is go to the Video Model section. There, you will find Grok Imagine Video. Simply select that. As soon as you select it, after that, you need to select the ratio from here. Then I upload my first image here, which I generated earlier. Then I go back to ChatGPT and copy scene 1 from there. After copying, I come back again to Slop Club and paste it here, select the ratio, and simply click on Generate. Oh my God! Guys, what is this? It is asking for payment. But you don't need to worry, because Skill with AI is here. So now I will show you how to make it free. From here, the main part starts. Do not skip. First of all, what you need to do is open this website again in any browser. After opening the website, what you have to do is go to the Sign In option. After clicking on Sign In, you have to go to Sign Up. Here you will see username and email address, but you should not use your real email. Here comes the free trick. You have to open any temporary email from anywhere, like temp mail or any temporary mail website you prefer. From there, copy your temporary email, come back, enter any username, paste the email, click on Agree, and click Next. As soon as you click Next, a code will be sent to your email. Simply go back, copy that code, come again, paste it, and click Next, and boom. Now the website has again given you 8 credits, and with this, we will create videos. Then what you need to do is go to the tool again. Click on Grok AI, and from here, select the video model, WAN 2.2. This is best. After selecting WAN 2.2, what you have to do is upload your first image again. After uploading the image, go to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, then come to Slop Club, paste it, and simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, go to your profile, and you will see your generation has started. Within a few moments, it will be ready. Guys, I have fulfilled my promise, and here you can see the first generated result. How super amazing it looks. Very best. In the same way, I will generate more. Paste the prompt, keep the same settings, and click Generate. In this way, I generate 3 to 4 more scenes. The process is the same. So guys, you can see how we generated images and videos today. And I have completed my promise. Now it's your turn. You should like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can at least do this much because Skill with AI always brings free tools for you and always tells you how to earn and take advantage of them. You can earn in dollars sitting at home. There are many creators who don't tell you how to earn, but I will bring even better videos next time if I get good response from here. No, these videos take a lot of effort. As you can see, here is the final preview. Just look at it. How super amazing it looks. Very best. It has generated all image-based videos. As you can see, I still have enough pixel balance left. I can generate 4 more videos. There is no tool that gives this many credits and allows free video generation like this. Today, you have seen how we generated videos. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel and do comment what type of next video you want and which tool you want. Thank you for watching.